Next person up on the list. You sent your song in last week. I apologize, I didn't get a chance to do it. But like I say on every song, I'ma peep your cover art and see how it is. Your cover art is dope. Whoever did this, they know exactly what they doing, man. I'm pretty sure you paid a little penny for it. This is clean. This is really clean. But I'ma stop talking. Yeah, it was, most definitely. I'ma stop talking and get into the song. Y'all already know how this goes, man. For the new people that's in here, go ahead and smash that thumbs up. Keep sharing this stream. The more people in here, the better. It's the way it goes. If the song is good, you drop an S, you'll see the S's in the box. If it's not, you drop an L so we can keep it pushing and get these people played. Let's go.
It's another one. Oh, eat up. You just move too fast, girl. Slow it down. And yeah, lie. Eat up. Cause I know say you fit take another round. See, I know how you become my way, but I know go let you out. Like you just don't care. The boyfriend saying this just ain't fair. Calling your phone but you just ain't there. I see me again. She says she wanna see me again. She wanna feel the same trips again. Go up the club and let's go again. And we fit go to the sunlight. And watch a movie if it feel like. And take it back to the room like. A roll a couple make you feel right. And take a ride to the moonlight. I watch the stars from the rooftop. Girl, just to go, baby, don't stop. You just to go, baby, don't stop. Tree, be love, yeah, tree, be love, yeah, tree, be love, yeah, tree, be love, oh, tree, be love, yeah, tree, be love, yeah, tree, be love, oh, tree, be love, yeah, tree. We love, yeah, tree. We love, yeah, tree. We love, oh, tree. We love, yeah, tree. We love, yeah, tree. We love, you bad, yes, you bad. No get time for loving up, but you're my type. No lie, I know feel like. Purple might be kicking it, but girl, you fine. You fine. I said you fine. It's like God took lightning and he put it in your body. I said he put it in your body. See me again. She said she wanted to see me again. She wanted to feel the same trips again. Pull up the rubber, let's go again. I see me again. She said she wanted to see me again. She wanted to feel the same trips again. Pull up the rubber, let's go again. Tree, be love, yeah, tree, be love, yeah, tree, be love, yeah, tree, be love, oh, tree, be love, yeah, tree, be love, yeah, tree, be love, oh, tree, be love, yeah, tree, be love, yeah, tree, be love, yeah, tree, be love, oh, tree, be love, yeah, tree, we love, yeah, tree, we love, yeah, we can go to the sunlight, or watch a movie if we feel like, I take you back to the room like, you know I got that for you.
That was definitely a banger, man. That was definitely a banger. I'm gonna check out the rest of your music, man, because yo, that was clean, bro. I see down here you said you dropped your EP. You recorded your EP 2016 and 2017, bro. Keep grinding, man. You can sing, man. Yo, you going places for real, man. You get a cert from me. That was clean, bro. I can vibe to that. That was definitely a vibe, man. Yo, y'all go run this dude's music up, man. Show him some love. It's Black History Month, man. Come on, it's Black History Month. We supposed to be supporting our black artists out here, man. Our black entrepreneurs out here in the game, man. That's the only way we can rise. Y'all don't do it throughout the week, so y'all could at least do it like 1 month out of the year. Y'all can do that. That's sad. Y'all ain't helping us out, man. It's crazy. It's crazy in these streets, man. We out here grinding on our own. No, I'm just playing. Nah, man. You definitely got the key, bro. Bless up, man. Keep grinding out here in these streets. But we're going to get into this next person. Keep it pushing, boy. My energy just came back. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy, man. These last 2 people got certs, man. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling the certifications, man. I'm like entrepreneur. I'm like, wow, like entrepreneur. I'm like Oprah Winfrey out here just handing out certs. No, I ain't sure it yet, bro. I'm pretty sure I got you on the list. If I got you on the list, man, you will definitely get played. That's whatever number you came in at is where you're gonna get played at. But for the people that's new